You know you should.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sleepy 6. If you don't know, I have a modified V6 Challenger. So the purpose of the channel is to customize this car for sleepy purposes, to make it not look fast, but what under the hood is a totally different beast, like this vehicle right here. So what we're gonna get into today is it needs some oil change though. It's about the time. I ain't show the first time when I changed the Ripp oil, so this time I'm gonna show you. This is the second time I'm changing the Ripp oil. It's a very easy process. So if you're looking to do this, it's not that hard. One thing you want to try to do, make sure you do, is when you change the Ripp oil, change it with your car oil. So right now I'm about to go to a place and change the oil. Yes, you can beat me up in comments about me going to the shop and changing the oil. I'm changing the oil. But this is where I live at. So my options are kind of limited to like what I can really do. I had to go here and here and there to work on my car. So that's what I gotta do. So I'm going to the shop and get changed. So I'll catch y'all in the meantime. Alright. That guy said he liked the car. Thank you very much. So as you can see now, the check engine light is now on. I reprogrammed it because we pulled the what's it called, the air intake sensor. It was very beat up, so it looked like this. And this right here is a no-brainer. It's not supposed to look like that. So maybe this will fix my problem, maybe not. I still think I'm gonna need a tune. So get it focused clear. There you go. So yeah, that's a very no. Look like it done broke. Got the whole thing out. So yep. So we're going to go to the shop. So I'll catch you when we get there. All right. Since I ain't done in a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little bit of a pull. So see, I just love leaving my apartment and just getting on a little bit. I know there's a car behind me. Another Camaro. If I get on it, I don't know. I gotta see where these cars go. Ah, sure. Come on, champ. You ain't old, but you got a license plate. Ain't that something? Oh man. Oh, he's in the windshield. So currently I'm over here trying to find the right tools for the Supercharger. Yeah, that's not gonna do it. 12 ain't gonna do it. That's 12 may work. I'm missing the other thing. So try to use pliers, they ain't work. So I always scratch my head because I've changed it once already, and then I can find those two and the Allen wrenches. So that's why I got a bunch of tools in here, been scrubbing. So let's go see where it's at. I hope it's in the garage. I think I put with the Supercharger, or you'll see though. But I don't know. I'm looking for a 916. So I can't find my tool. Common problem. I hope it's in here. Yeah, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we got an MS. And I have it. Just what I need. That's awesome. And my Supercharger oil. Alright, so now that I find it, you need a 9/16 and you need a half. So that's two things you need to change your Ripp Supercharger oil. That's two. And also you need Allen wrenches. I forgot what size these are exactly, but if you get a pack of Allen wrenches, you could pretty much tell like what fits what. See, so yeah, I'll advise you just get a pack, match it up. I don't know what exactly size that is. But yeah, it's a very easy process. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drain this line here. They got a little oil on it, so but no need now. Just got the oil changed. So there's a regular oil change. So now I'm about to change all this. So what you want to do? You want to have the 9/16 and the half right here. Just sit just like this, and you want to turn it. It's gonna come off. I can't really sit because I'm a one-man operator over here. So just want to turn it. All right. Once you got a part, you're gonna unscrew this. So once you unscrew the top and you unscrew this, you basically gonna take the line and you're gonna put it into like a cup or whatever to hold the oil, because it's gonna start dripping. You're gonna get oil hands, and what you wanna do, go ahead and start turning this right here. So go ahead and start dripping up fast. I'm just kind of trying to turn and hook on at the same time. So I'll show you when I get done with this on the next little clip. Alright, so with those Allen wrenches, like I said, you got those two. One was big, this is the big one, and the small one. You want to make sure you take both of these out so I can drain it completely. I roughly let it sit there for like about extra 6 minutes just to make sure it's completely drained. For a minute, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So small plug was here, and the little stick was here. So, and I also take the time to clean off this little area here. Let me show them. It be straight, just clean off this area. Alright, so yeah, I'll show you what the oil looks like in just a minute. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It's not too bad. This right here, it had like maybe 1,000 more. So it's not real dark. But like I said, I change it with every oil change to make sure my car runs efficiently. So it's not bad, as you can see. Kind of dark, kind of not. So dispose this properly. Wait for a moment though. And we have the Supercharger oil. This is one of the caps. See, I had already used it one time. We got like 3 more. This is the second one Ripp gave me out the kit, so go ahead and load that one up and go ahead and put it in there. Alright, so now that this is back in place, see, I tighten this down right here. So same after take it off, the same after you use to put it back in. So just reverse. Alright, so first thing you want to do, let's go ahead and make sure that we get this, and we're gonna put it into this hole right here. And you're gonna leave that open because we want to make sure it gets in here too. Alright, so as you see, I went ahead and bolted that on, and I'm putting the last little drops of this. Try not to squeeze too hard, because this thing has a tendency to want to spill out everywhere. Also, you don't want to create too many air. I believe that's another reason why you don't want to squeeze it. So too hard. I'll squeeze on a little bit, trying to get the last little bit out of it. See, it's nose to the show, so it's about to take a little minute. This little daggone, how many ounces this thing? I think it's like 4 or 6 ounces or something like that. It takes up time. It's going down the nose pretty slowly. Trying to squeeze it, tab it, letting off. Make sure I get everything in here. I think it should be this. Is more coming out? See, like I said, see, that's why you don't want to squeeze too much. Make a colossal mess like that. So, alright, catch y'all. Alright, get ready. Like that, it's all gone. So, put it over there. Get ready to dispose of that. Then you just want to put your dipstick back in here. Take the big tool. Go ahead, twist it down like such. And then I'm getting a little, I don't want to take too much because I don't want to Had to script it. Alright, that's about tight right there. Sorry, I was sniffing. Yep, and that right there is a complete. Take this kind of rub out because I'm kind of ADHD, whatever you want to call it, about oils and stuff all over the engine. So they don't need to be everywhere. So yeah. So next time, like I say, all we need is these tools, the oil itself. I'm good for 3 for me. Yeah, and you just need a bottle to put the oil in. So, and it comes with one of these. So, and that's a completion. Supercharger. One thing I would recommend, just crank up the car. Make sure everything runs smoothly. I gotta dispose of that too. So, go ahead and pick up the car. As you see, all my tools I was running through. Build up. Roll up. You can pop that new oil in again, and yeah. Like I said, some people tighten this part down here. They don't do it right here exactly. That's a temporary spot for right now. I'm just gonna find a line to put this too. So that'll be oil change right there. And I got the oil, so we good to go. Things are very simple. Not very hard. I'm not a mechanic person at all. So I'm not scared to get in the hood and start messing with things. Yes, I've been jetting this thing up different times, but everything's fixable. Okay, job right here. See all that dirt right there? And you can see them coming. That looks like they're doing their job. They're blocking out dirt and noise. So hey, tried the real for that. I would recommend that, definitely. Blocking the air filter from dirt. So, yeah. And yeah, I'm popping the hood too, so you know. Definitely. Alright. So this is another video of 66. And I'll catch y'all again on the next episode, man. We're gonna see where we go from there. What more mods and maintenance stuff. And the other thing is the custom and car show stuff. So let me do it again. The 66. I just show you how to change your oil in your Ripp Supercharger. And if you like videos like this, I do car mods, do car shows that I go to. So go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll see more content. Peace.